and it's located in the North Ridge community. It's close to Bowie State University,
Okay.
not far from Bowie Town Center. My absolute favorite feature is in the lower level, the bar.
We'll keep that in mind.
I don't want you to get sidetracked, John.
That never happened.
So you ready to go in and take a look?
Ready.
Enjoy.
Fantastic.
Wow.
Big welcoming space.
Well, this foyer is like a room in itself.
Takes up a big footprint of this house, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm guessing maybe formal living room?
Living room, sure.
What I like are the floor-to-ceiling windows, because often we see wider windows, but these are actually tall.
Yeah.
This chandelier, look at the bling that it adds to this formal dining room.
And formal is the word with these, moldings, the chair rail and the crown.
Really makes the space just a little more fancy, I think.
Just a little.
Just a little
Just a
more.
little bit. Well, this is interesting.
Yeah, I mean, obviously the first thing I notice are the cherry cabinets.
Yeah.
And this island.
It kind of pops out, doesn't it?
It does, because it's completely the angle.
I actually like this stove in this island because your family's in the family room. You can sit here and cook and you can face them,
But it does make me kind of want to go like
Shift it, here, I'll help you. Here, we'll just like, yes, slide it
no,
just, no, it's glued down. Well, I know this house. This house was probably built, I'm saying in the 80s.
I think it is a great space.
And it has a great view of this backyard.
Oh, and the deck.
And look, they've got a basketball court.
Ooh, yeah, a little one-on-one action.
A little hoops.
Oh, I think so. Did you ever play basketball?
Yeah, no.
No, neither did I.
Looks like.
Bathroom.
Yep, washer,
and-
dryer.
Okay, so shall we go to the basement?
Yep.
Okay.
After you.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this. This is the party room.
Oh, this is the party room.
This is like the 80s.
Oh, wow.
There's even a Pac-Man, which is bringing me back. I have all the feels for this basement right now.
This is the place to hang out.
Yeah, like all the cool kids hang out here. Oh, this is rad, dude.
You can live your Pac-Man dreams, and I'm gonna check out the rest of the basement.
I need a corner though, or this won't work.
Oh, we have a full bath. Oh, it's a nice full bath too. And I would use this as an office, spacious. Oh, and a workout room.
Hey, take a look at this. Little patio here.
Oh, how
I've never
fun.
seen anything like this.
That's a great way to put in a patio economically.
Yeah, there's no foundation, right? There's no.
No, I think they're just kind of laid there.
Yeah, so it's plastic and wood.
Nice.
Totally tubular,
I'm
dude.
digging this whole space.
Me too.
So let's go here first. So obviously the owner's suite.
Yep, the main bedroom of the house.
So nice walk-in closet.
Uh-huh. And nice tall ceilings.
When you step in, you really see the space, how big this bedroom is.
And great sized
Ooh.
bathroom too.
Yeah, look at that tub. Jacuzzi.
Jets. Jets are coming back.
Double vanity.
Mm-hmm.
And shower.
All right.
Okay. All right, so this is bedroom number 2.
2.
And a third bedroom.
These are all good size.
Yeah. Then a full bath. So that makes,
3.5 so far.
yes.
That's 3.5.
Yes.
Okay.
And, oh, wait, that's another bedroom.
Okay, so that's 4
4
bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms.
Exactly.
All right, Tammy.
Hey, Tammy.
House number 2.
Number 2.
Yes. How'd you like it?
I love the fact that it is just a family's entertainment space.
And then don't forget about the exterior. It's a fenced backyard
I know.
so
with a
beautiful.
basketball court
Yeah.
and a
Yes.
deck.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody wants to leave, okay? It's something for everyone.
That could be a problem.
I think that's what adds to this being such a wonderful family home.
Yes. Okay, so this house has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a half bath, almost 4,100 square feet, and built in 1993.
All right, Tammy. I'm going to make a guess on this house of $675,000.
Ooh.
Okay.
I'm going to come in at 650,000.
Bump, bump.
Wait, that was
Both
that's a
bombed,
double
okay,
bump?
okay.
Oh.
This house listed for $625,000.
Oh,
Well, we win some and we lose some.
I know,
kid.
we got a double.
Yeah, that's a first.